Hi, welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in the Chianti region, famous for its charming hill-covered landscapes surrounded by the best art cities in Tuscany. We are just 20 minutes away from Florence, in the middle of this stunning region. The property we will see today is located in a lovely panoramic position in between these Tuscan hills. You can see it right behind me. Let's go and pass through this olive tree driveway and see it together. Come with me. The tower is surrounded by 4.5 hectares of land, onto which we can find 165 plants of olive trees, with which you can produce your own Tuscan olive oil. The rest of the land is covered in woodland. The property was originally a watchtower, controlling and dominating the valley right below. Later on, two annexes were built and they are leaning onto the tower. That was to enlarge and give more space to the property. In that stage, it was turned from a military building to a dwelling. Today, it is in good condition and partially restored. The building is mainly constructed with Alberese Stone, which is a type of calcareous rock typical of this area of the Florentine countryside. It is really beautiful because it gives this white color to the construction, which gives it so much light. It is divided into 3 apartments, each one with its independent access, making it perfect as an accommodation business, but also very suitable as a grand family home. In fact, with some restoration works, you could unify the 3 apartments, creating a spectacular family villa. Follow me inside and let's see the first apartment together. The whole building is 400 square meters in total, with 4 bedrooms up to 6 and 5 bathrooms. We're now inside the biggest and first apartment, and in this room we find a living and dining room, and on my right a kitchen. Passing through this door, we get to a bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom. Whereas on this side, we arrive to this other door, and going down these 3 steps, we get to this large living space. It is actually the extension built beside the tower. In fact, on my left, you notice the exposed Alberese stone. This whole room is full of light, also because of all of these windows all around. On this side of this room, there is this sitting area, perfect to enjoy yourself with your friends and family. It has a fireplace, which makes it very suitable also for the winter time. Whereas by the entrance of the room, just beside the steps, we find the access to another bedroom with its ensuite bathroom. Have a look at this lovely conservatory. It is perfect for seasons like spring or autumn, thanks to all the light shining through, creating a perfect temperature. It has direct access to the terrace, from which you can enjoy the view of the valley. Now that we're done with the first apartment, let's go and see on the rear side of the property the second apartment. At the moment it is an independent apartment, but during a restoration, since it is on the ground floor just like the first apartment we've seen, you could open a few doors and join the two units together. Let's go and see it inside. By the entrance we find on my right the kitchen, on my left a bathroom, and passing through this door we get to a living room which has also its own fireplace, and up these stairs we arrive to the bedroom of the apartment. We're now done with the whole ground floor of the tower. Let's now pass through this external staircase and arrive to the third and last unit of this property. From there, we will in the end get to the rooftop terrace. Let's go and see it. After some cosmetic works, this unit would become a real gem. In fact, it has so many original features that make it so special, like this original stone fireplace and all of these exposed walls. Through this room, which is the dining room, we access from this door to the kitchen. Over there to the bathroom, and through this other door we arrive to a bedroom with ensuite bathroom. One of the most special features of this unit is that it has this mezzanine floor that makes it feel like it's a loft apartment. In fact, over here we find a living room. It has 5 windows that give you a view on 3 sides of the tower. It's actually a really spacious living area, and thanks to the windows it has so much light. Through these stairs it also has access to the rooftop terrace of the tower, the best part of the property. Let's go and see it. Have a look at this terrace. I think it would be a great idea for the summertime to set up a dining table and a summer outdoor sitting area over here to enjoy yourself with your friends and family. From up here, you have a breathtaking 360-degree view. I hope you enjoyed this property, and I will see you next time. Ciao!